Today is April 3rd. We're not supposed to get any sun today, so I guess I'll just record this now. This is the Danger Garden, version 2.0. I've got another area with cacti and succulents over in front of the jungle. But this area is a little more experimental. All these plants, in theory, are hardy to this zone, but our winters are too wet, so I'm going to try to provide some top cover and try to keep these things alive. Very experimental. Okay, so this is a Daisylirion. There is a Yucca brevifolia, or a Joshua tree. That's an Echinacerius Daisy acanthus. This, I believe, is a Yucca gloriosa. I had this in the jungle and I moved it over here. It was sold as filamentosa, but it's not a filamentosa. Pretty sure it's a gloriosa. Echinopsis terscheckii. This is a South American version, or a Central and South American version of the saguaro, which is one of the most iconic cactuses that there is. I got this from Home Depot last year, Trichoserius grandiflorus hybrid. It says it's hardy to 0 degrees, which I don't believe, but I've got 2 of them, and none of my cactus have done very well in pots, so I'm putting them in the ground. Maybe they'll grow in the ground. This is a Yucca faxoniana, one of my favorites. That is a little bitty Echinacerius reichenbachii. It gets really pretty reds. I had it in the grow box and it actually put on some new growth and flowered in the grow box. This is an unknown Opuntia, don't remember what species. I love the name of this, Oreoserius celsianus. Probably 6 or 8 inches tall. There's a seed-grown Agave americana. It'll be 2 years old this summer. And then I've got the Opuntia macrocentra and Azuria over there. That's down in low ground though. I think I'm gonna move it up onto the mound. Should do better up here on this mound. So this is all brand new. This is just the beginning. And I put up this little guardrail to keep the kids and the dogs from getting poked by the cactus. I don't really like it. I think it looks a little too organic and natural. I think I want it to look more like a hitching post with squared off angles. I think that would suit the theme better. I didn't put any landscape fabric down because I've got these little, find one, Echeveria and Sempervivum stone crop stuff. These things are stupid easy. They don't, you put them in the ground, they don't care if you water them or neglect them. Come back a few months later and they will have spread and quadrupled in size. So if nothing else, even if everything else dies, I can still have this area covered in. The yuccas will do okay, except for the brevifolia maybe. And then these little guys will do very well. So this is just the beginning. This is all experimental, and I'll do an update at the end of the growing season and just see how everything has done.